All the guys hold the ice cream. Blindfold yourself. Oh, here we go. This will not go on YouTube. I fucking lied. This is going on YouTube tonight. Alright, let's do this one. Alright, here we go. No subjects to follow action. Real blindfold action right here. Wait, we need one more ice cream for it. Oh, here we go, Wait. Oh, wait, here. So here we go. Alright, here we go. You have to eat the whole thing. Cone, everything, alright? Cone, everything. On your mark. Second place gets Pro Kid shoes. Wait, hold on. One hand. Peter Hawk said one hand. Hold on. And the girls, you can't touch the guy. You girls, you cannot touch the guy. Girls, you can't touch the guy. Alright, here we go. Yeah. How old am I? Good. Pro Kid second place. And what else? Pro Kid shoe second place. Third place, Myninja hat. Fourth and fifth place, ice cream in your face. Alright, here we go. 1, 2, 3, go! We need some music. Whoa. Wow. Shit. What do you think about this, Duncan? Fantastic. This is the best shit I've ever seen in my life right now. What do you think? This is nuts. Oh, we got one in the lead right here. We got this couple right here. She shows no color lines. Right here, alright. Wow, oh man. These are useful skills that gonna come handy in life, girls. Keep going. This is good on resumes, girls, seriously. Alright, gentlemen, you gotta pick your wife from one of these 5 right here. Your wife. Oh, we got someone in the lead. On the left, she's down to the cone. Hey, the winner gets hit on by 20 guys. Y'all, okay? Oh, here we go. We got one in the lead. Here we go. She's down in the cone. She is in that. Hello. Oh, she's done? Oh, no, she lost the cone. Oh, we got a winner right here. The winner. Wait, we need second place. She hit the cone and everything. Hey, eat. Oh, it's too loud. I'm sorry. Hey, eating the cone is like swallowing. Okay. You heard it from TNT. Alright. Second place here. Alright, congratulations, Pro Kid shoes. Good job.